See, this is some. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, right now I'm in Mahadev village of South Garo Hills. I'm staying at James Dada's house and he is James Dada's youngest son and his name is
Roman.
his name is Roman and they are the neighbors. Your name? I cannot hear it. जोर से बोलो loudly. Tresper?
Chispil.
Oh, Chisper K Sangma. And your? Babyana Chuki Sangma na? Oh, her name is Babyana. So guys, I'm going to give a tour of this village, not a village, like Dada's house. He has done so many creative work, so I wanted to show you that. So guys, now I'm going to enter James Dada's house. And one thing I really love about this village, look at their gate. This is so amazing, and you know how to open this gate? You have to do like this. One, two, three, four, and now you can enter. So amazing! I just love this idea. And now, and this is his house. You can see more amazing ideas. I'm going to show you. Come. And guys, you can see this also. This is for water harvesting, and I love this idea. He has connected a pipe with a bottle, and this is for collecting toilet water for toilet, not toilet water. So rainwater, it will come like this, and then through pipe it will go in the washroom. I'll show you. You can see the pipe. And you can see the gate. Open the gate. Amazing gate of South Garo Hills. See, I just love this. See, it's the gate. It's the toilet. And see, and you can see the pipe. So here they are collecting the water. It's coming dark because no light. See, I love this idea. Guys, I wanted to show you this. Look at their creativity, what they have done. See, this is some talcum powder, and in that they have put switch and wire. This is how their DIY they do. These people, they are so talented.
ये खारन का स्विच है।
हाँ
ये क्यों बाजार से पैसा बर्बाद करना है, इसलिए पाउडर का घर है।
हाँ,
तो इसलिए हम लोग ये स्विच बना देता है।
वैसे भी इधर लाइट कितना रहता है?
लाइट तो अभी तो नहीं है, जब आता है तब इस्तेमाल करता है।
लाइट
तो ऐसा रहता है।
लाइट इधर कब तक रहता है?
लाइट आता है 2 घंटा 3 घंटा, उसके बाद फिर चला जाता है।
और नेटवर्क
तो जिंदगी भर कभी
सब they all have died.
कभी चला जाता है। 2 दिन 3 दिन के बाद में 1 घंटा 2 घंटा आता है, उसके बाद फिर 2-3 दिन नहीं आता है। ये प्रॉब्लम है।
And guys, that is James Dada's elder daughter. Her name is Nochi, and she cooks very delicious foods, especially the sabji. Mithila, for making for cooking delicious sabjis.
ये बिल्ली का माँ है।
कौन से बिल्ली का?
ये वाला बिल्ली का।
बिल्ली का माँ क्यों है ये?
पसंद करते हैं।
Roman guy, she's taking Roman's cat in her hand and she feeds, and she kisses them. I don't know what she does with the cat. How she's standing, attention position.
I love cat.
I love cats. So much. I don't know what to say. No network, no electricity, no road, no school, no hospital, nothing. I'm trying to upload my videos on YouTube or trying to come online, but because of no network, I'm unable to do anything. I don't know what Meghalaya government is doing. We are in 21st century, but still people over here, they are living like they are in 18th century or 19th century. Everything here, it looks like ancient time. Even their market, if you see, you'll be shocked to see that it looks so small. It looks like of old time. I don't know what to say. And these people, they are very scared to complain or talk in front of camera. No one is doing anything. Now there is no connectivity. There is one bridge in Rongara that connects Bagmara to this Balpakram. That bridge has got collapsed, and from here also the condition is not good. And for 60 kilometers, 3 companies have got the contract for constructing the road and all. But I don't see any progress. They are not working only. 3 companies are not able to build 160-kilometer road till now. What to say more? They are sleeping. Only 2-3 laborers, they are trying to work on the road and all this thing. How 2-3 laborers will construct the road? No one is serious because no one shows this part of Meghalaya. I was very shocked to see Meghalaya is like this also. I had always seen the vlogs of Meghalaya where you will get to see beautiful roads, scenery, all the facilities. But when I came here, my problem is that I go inside. I go very deep. I'm an offbeat traveler. So when I saw their problems, their road condition, it was very hurtful to see all this. First, I was very shocked to know about Gonzagre village because no light, no road, no network, nothing, no hospital. But then when I started, coming ahead, and then I saw, array, this is the case of whole South Garo Hills. They don't have any facilities. And the road too, you got to see in my vlogs only while coming from Bagmara to Balpakram. So guys, I hope government will try to solve their problem as soon as possible, build their infrastructure, work on that. And yeah, with that I'm gonna end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.